So my major is energy management and finance, and I'm working towards eventually becoming a landman with an exploration and production company. Just basically negotiating oil and gas leases and essentially being the business or the face of an exploration and production company. Energy management is, I think, the best major, and obviously I'm biased, but it's just so fun. It pushes you, challenges you. It's a lot of networking, and I'm more of a people person. I like to talk. I want to be out there just conversing and networking, and energy management essentially teaches you how to become a landman and work in the oil and gas industry. And as a landman, that's one of the biggest things you do is networking and really become a face of a company. And so TU's energy management program has helped me not only learn the basic fundamentals of being a landman, so like reading oil and gas leases and things like that. It's also just broadened my ability to network and things like that. Coming as a freshman, you know, you're confused, you're lost, you're trying to figure out exactly what to do, get into classes and things like that. But luckily my advisors helped me out right before I got to school, so I was really set up coming in. And the next step was to do all the career fairs and all the internship and the resume workshops. And as a freshman, it really just kind of blew me away because I wasn't expecting any of this whatsoever. And I actually ended up getting an internship right after freshman year with ConocoPhillips in Houston. And I've actually worked with them for the past 3 summers. And I'm currently waiting to hear back to see if I'm going to get a full-time offer.